Announce. It means to make a public or formal declaration. Example: I am pleased to announce that our class has won the competition. Abash. It means to make someone feel embarrassed or ashamed. Example: he was abashed by his error during the presentation. Abate. Means to become less intense or widespread. Example: the storm finally abated after several hours. Accept. Means to consent to receive or undertake something offered. Example: she accepted the award with gratitude. Accompany. Means to go somewhere with someone. Example: I will accompany you to the doctor's office. Accuse. Means to charge someone with an offense or crime. Example: she was accused of stealing the company's funds. Acquire. Means to buy or obtain an asset or object for oneself. Example: he managed to acquire a rare edition of the book. Align. Means to arrange in a straight line or to adjust according to a standard. Example: make sure to align the pictures properly on the wall. Alter. Means to change or modify something. Example: she had to alter the dress to fit her better. Amend. Means to make changes to a text or document. Example: the committee agreed to amend the proposal. Analyze. Means to examine something in detail for purposes of explanation and interpretation. Example: they will analyze the data to find any significant patterns. Acknowledge. Means to accept or admit the existence or truth of something. Example: she acknowledged her team's hard work during her acceptance speech. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.